just looking at Mama right now, aren't you? Come on. There you go. Keep going.
Come here, sweetheart. Come here. Come on. Come on, sweetie. You almost had it. If you can just move your shoulder, but you're chewing on your fingers. He's got his whole hand in his mouth.
He's pulling the thing. Keep going. Keep going, sweetie. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on.
He's like, no, I'm not leaving my fingers. Ah, come on, sweetheart.
You could tell. Oh, he wants to do it so hard.
Yeah.
Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Roll over. Come on. You can do it. You almost there.
Come on, get the elbow. Yay! What did you do? Now you're gonna roll back?
He's like, no, I like this. Hi. Good boy. Oh my gosh.